Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well guys, I am setting up my Erin Condern Petite daily planner for the week of May 18th through the 24th. I primarily will be using this sticker book from the Happy Planner called Color Story 4. It came out at the end of last year. In addition, I may use the colorful boxes as well as the tiny sticker book, both from the Happy Planner as well. And I pulled out this beautiful peachy floral washi tape, peachy pink floral washi tape. I believe this might be a Recollections Michael brand washi tape, and it has like several words of affirmation throughout the washi tape, and I just thought it would look pretty with the spread that I plan to do for this planner. So come along and join me and let's see how this unfolds. Yeah. So last year we had a challenge that I participated in to hashtag use all of those stickers, right? And we utilized the color story booklets a lot. And so, I could have went on to use the color story books well into probably this summer because there's enough collections within the color story to do just that. But I was starting to get burnt out from the color story collection. And when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my daily planner for this coming up week, I really said, you know what? I would love to use something that has a cohesiveness to it, but doesn't necessarily just scream, I came from one collection. And so I really start looking through all of my sticker books. And when I looked at this particular story in the storybook, I was like, yeah, I'm feeling this one. It has just an airiness about it, but beautiful. And and a lot of good wording in the boxes. So I really enjoyed this. The bloom, choose happiness. Those were like some great quote stickers to put down in the planner. Now, I decided to go ahead and pick up this particular colorful box sticker book because I was like, let's change it up. I don't want to use full boxes all the time. So that sticker book that I got the circle from was colorful shapes. And I really don't use it enough. And I am going to challenge myself to use that book a little bit more than what I have in the past. And I also love the quotes that I got from the colorful story box sticker book. Think big, start small, hello today. Just great things to help remind myself to think positive and to start my day right. And then that sticker I just put down at the bottom says make today an adventure. And again, I'm pulling up some quote stickers. Think, dream, plan, do your best day ever, and Thursday will be a half day for me for work, and so this will be like the jump start to my upcoming birthday on the 25th. And so I am just going to enjoy having days off from work and just making the best of it, relaxing some, but then just doing some things I really just need to do without having a full day schedule. So sort of like a mini vacation for me. And I'm looking forward to it. I love that find the beauty. Right now we have to intentionally find the beauty in everything. If not, you'll go crazy. You'll get sad and depressed And so I try to find things that help me to encourage myself. This particular sticker I'm putting down, I love it. It says, "Get out of your way." Get out of your way, Larrissa. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting out of my way and exploring some and maybe doing some things I haven't yet done yet. I don't know what that will be since I will be limited, but who knows? I'm going to find some type of adventure this weekend coming up. So, and then that one says, "Enjoy the process." And one thing I have to say is that I can get easily caught up in the negativeness about this particular season in our life. But there is something to be learned, there's something to be done. So that when I reflect on this season, I can look back and say, you know what? I did the best. I made the best out of the situation, and therefore I enjoyed the process. So now I'm just going back in from the tiny sticker book, and I'm adding some different elements to just make this particular layout more personalized. I'm pulling out the water bottles and some quotes like "do over" or "living the sweet life." I'm using some emojis, and I know I've sped up this plan with me a lot, but if you stick to the end, I'll explain to you why I use certain stickers, the way I use them, and so forth. But I'm just giving you a quick overview. But using these water bottles, I'm hoping will help me to remember to drink my water. I need to get so bad. I need to get so much better at doing that. I'll drink coffee all day if you let me. But I need to get better at drinking my water so my health can improve um, and that I just stay healthy for the long run. So, yeah. Okay, so I really enjoyed this spread for the whole entire week. I think it's beautiful, it's fresh, it's delightful, it's fun at the same time. And so I'm looking forward to utilizing this. As you guys know, I like to use these three sections as morning, noon, and night or evening. And I try to follow a particular routine on this side. In addition, I'll make like additional notes as I go along through the day and so forth. It's really important that I monitor my water intake because I've been very bad at that and I need to do better. I love the sticker, "Be Present." Isn't that pretty? And I love how I cut that floral into here. It looks really nice. I'm looking at Monday as a do-over. Last week was pretty harsh. Well, not harsh, but rough. But God got me through it, so I'm thankful for that, and He got you through it too if you're listening to this video. Focus on the good, which is really important because there's just so much negativity, and I choose to focus on the good. And here's where I will probably put most of my notes for the day to remember to do certain stuff by the end of the day. And then I love this side. I have an emoji here because I have an upcoming appointment that I have to attend in person. That is really major that I go to, and I confirmed with my doctor that we're still on track to attend this. So that's important. I love these stickers. Bloom, choose happiness. You are lovely. And so I love that, to continue to bloom. One of my words this year is flourish. I want to flourish. I want not to just survive and so forth, but I want to strive and flourish. So, and choose happiness, living a sweet life. Yes. And I have a friend that's having a birthday, so I want to make for sure I remember to make contact with her. And then Wednesday, I love all of these phrases. Think big, start small. That's a continual reminder. I think that's really important to have. Hello today, coffee, need coffee, more coffee. Hello friend. I told you guys about my iced coffee and the instant coffee that I use. If you are curious about the instant coffee that I use, check out my Instagram at BU Beautiful One Plans, and I have a post in there of the instant coffee that I use. And so I like to make iced coffee. I'll take the coffee that I had left over in the morning and make iced coffee with it, adding the instant coffee to it. So I love doing that. It helps me get through the day. And then I didn't really have a sticker to put here, so I just put a box here, and I'll write in something for this. Maybe I'll write in uh, a word for the day or something. And here's my water bottles again. I am expecting some deliveries to be made on the 20th. So I'll be looking out for those, and I'll notate here where they're coming from and what items they are. And then on Thursday, I love this phrase, those phrases from the colorful box sticker book. Think, dream, plan, do your best day ever. And then I have my camera here because I probably will be doing recordings. Made today an adventure. I want to work on my my hands and my feet. And then, of course, I got my water bottle. I have a huge smiley face here because this will be the start of my vacation week. I'll probably be working like half of a day and then just doing things to set up my week for success and relaxation. So, yes, I'm happy about that. Next week is my birthday on Monday, the 25th. And so that'll be just helping me to prepare to enjoy my day and celebrate another year of life. Yeah. Okay. For Friday, this will be my official first day of vacation, where I don't have to report to work at all. So I'm like, yes, girl, high five. And you know, with me working remotely, I really considered not taking the day off, but working remotely is not easy. And working remotely during a pandemic is not easy. And so I have decided to go ahead and utilize the days that I have scheduled to take off. Like I said, this is going into my birthday week, the following week. And so I just want to take a moment and just smell the flowers, quote unquote. So I love these stickers. Busy day, not like busy work day, but busy day for me. I'll probably get a lot of stuff done so I can enjoy the rest of the weekend. Good things are coming. I have to believe that and confess that. Beautiful day. Yes, it is. There go my water bottles. Find the beauty, find the beauty, find the beauty, find the beauty. I have to talk, when I talk to people, sometimes, you know, people are experiencing different things right now. And, you know, you have to help people find the beauty in things. Sometimes people don't want to hear it, but do your best to help them to look at life in a different perspective so that they can feel encouraged and be enlightened. So then here we come to Saturday, get out of your way. So yeah, that's, you know, some people don't have this issue, but sometimes you can overthink things and it will stop you because it paralyzes you because you don't have everything in place, or it doesn't look like what you think it should look like. And I'm trying to get out of my way. I want to dream, but yet I need to turn my dreams into plans so that I could turn my dreams into reality. And in order to do that, I have to get out of my way. So I like that. Make this weekend great because it is a great weekend. I'm saying we're going into my birthday, so it has to be a great weekend automatically. They were singing on this day, of course, because it's going to be church services on Sunday, and enjoy the process. So all of this is leading into and enjoy the process. And everything about life is a process, right? So, yeah, so I like this spread. It's very pretty. And as you guys know, I try to make my spreads meaningful to me so that when I look at them, I'm inspired, I'm encouraged, I enjoy the layout. And when I look at my spread, it's just not a whole bunch of stickers, but it helps to speak back to me. And if I explain it so that I can hear it to myself when I turn to each of these pages, it's like stuff is just, being reiterated to me. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this spread. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I go live or post new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. I thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next plan with me. Thank you so much. Bye.